Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, and our Monday across Connecticut certainly featuring above average temperatures and a lot of afternoon sunshine. So a nice day to spend outdoors if at all possible. Our average high temperature for today is 64 degrees, so well eclipsing that in many communities. As here at the 5 o'clock hour, we range from the upper 60s to low 70s still in many locations. And we've got a light south-southeast or south-southwesterly breeze, I should say, at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. An early warning pinpoint Doppler is scanning clear and dry. And we've got a nice show of colors all across the state. There's our ICAM view from Torrington. You can see the golden colors there, the reds, the oranges popping as we check out the scene as well from Middletown, at least from Middletown, looking over the Connecticut River into Portland. You can see the top of the Aragoni Bridge there. And then as well from southeast Connecticut, our view from New London showing a lot of late day sunshine. So temperatures will be trending cooler and the wind will be switching to a west-northwesterly direction as a cold front off to our north slides southward and makes its way through this evening. So temperatures as the sun sets will go from the 60s into the 50s and then will bottom out in the 40s. You can already see that cooler air not too far from Connecticut. So that's the story in the near term. As we look at the big picture, we've got an area of low pressure moving through the northern plains. That heads east. It's going to help to further develop a storm off the mid-Atlantic coast. And it's that coastal storm that eventually is going to head up in our direction later Wednesday night into Thursday, bringing a soaking rain, perhaps an inch to 2 across the state, maybe even locally higher amounts, and as well a wind that could gust 30 to 40 miles an hour. So here's Futurecast looking at tomorrow's weather today, 7 o'clock in the morning, ample sunshine as it rises, and then as we head through the afternoon, essentially mostly sunny, cloud-free conditions here all across Connecticut and southern New England. So Wednesday morning we'll start off with some sunshine, but cloud cover will quickly be on the increase, becoming mostly cloudy. Some showers break out during the course of the afternoon, but it's toward the evening commute points thereafter that the steady and heavy rain will be making its way across the state. There's 11 o'clock Wednesday night, and then even into Thursday morning, you can see the storm system beginning to pinwheel and lift away from southern New England. So the wind will still be a factor on Thursday, and we can't rule out a couple of isolated showers with some lingering instability. So with regard to the Wednesday night into early Thursday time frame, we can see or can expect 1 to 2 inches of rain here across Connecticut, perhaps some locally higher amounts. And I want to draw your attention to some of these shades here of deep red. Again, very much dependent upon the track of the storm, a storm that's really, again, yet to develop with regard to how strong the wind will be and how much rain we could get. But that axis of heavy rain could shift around a little bit. Looks like here in Connecticut as of now, we may not get the most as compared to areas just to our east. So temperatures tonight dip into the upper 30s and low 40s inland, 40 to 45 along the 95 corridor, then high temperatures tomorrow back to between, say, 60 and 65, more in line with what's considered normal or typical for this time of year. On our early warning 7-day forecast for Wednesday, again, we've got an early warning weather alert on the 7-day forecast to draw that extra attention to the fact that there's going to be impact from rain for the Wednesday evening commute and perhaps a gusty wind that could lead to some isolated power outages. And from that rain, there could be some poor drainage nuisance type flooding. So we'll be tracking that situation for you. It's also going to be trending cooler. Highs Thursday, Friday, only in the upper 50s. And then for the upcoming weekend, Saturday could start off on a chilly note, 30, so frosty conditions inland. 65 that afternoon with a lot of sunshine, back to 70 or better on Sunday. Storm-free and dry for both weekend days. Then some more rain in here perhaps by late Monday of next week. And shoreline highs this weekend, 63 on Saturday, then about 5 degrees warmer on Sunday.
All right, that weekend looking pretty good, Mark.